There are 4 primary ways you can contribute to the betterment of humanity via Project Universe, including, but not limited to, joining the community. All you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel and follow me on social media. You're not required to join our Discord, only developers are. Links to all official accounts are always available on shoustel.com/contact. I manage all of the social media accounts at this time. I post updates to all of them. You're always free to message me. I respond as soon as possible. Advocating Project Universe is the best way everyone can help as it grows the community. All you have to remember is shoustel.com, as it has most information presented in brief videos similar to this one. Advocating while live streaming is simple. Just place a link in your bio, a small logo or text in your stream, then talk about it in stream randomly while playing video games or doing whatever it is you want to do. You're essentially a community representative. We want your feedback and that of your communities, ensuring Project Universe is the best it can be. Developing Project Universe's virtual platform is the best way of acquiring funding prior to gaining significant community support. The better our early development build is, the more likely investors, sponsors, venture capitalists will invest. This is why the first people I'm hiring are those voluntarily contributing to development. Every developer is required to join our Discord for the sake of efficiently coordinating our efforts. We're primarily looking for dedicated Unity 3D developers, C# programmers, 2D artists, 3D artists, sound effect artists, UI designers, UX developers, and level designers. Some types of developers aren't currently necessary, but will be later, such as musicians, voice actors, and testers. As soon as you join our Discord and introduce yourself, current lead developers and I will work with you to figure out what you can work on. You don't have to be a professional game developer with a bunch of experience. You can learn while contributing to development. Several of us are self-taught as indie devs or from modding games. Donating is the easiest way of contributing. All I ask for is $1 a month. If you want to donate more, you're entirely welcome to. Currently, we use patreon.com/shoustel for crowdfunding, but we're exploring multiple methods for accessibility and exposure. For every $2,500 per month, we're able to hire another contributor. Everyone voluntarily contributing to Project Universe in a significant dedicated capacity is to be hired. First, I'm hiring a core team of developers, starting with active volunteers. Then I'll begin hiring non-developers. To know how much funding we have at the moment, go to patreon.com/shoustel. Eventually, a funding tracker will be added to shoustel.com, likely after the account system is safe, secure, and functional. The way we live our lives is drastically changing over the coming years due to the development of civilization advancing technology such as artificial intelligence, interplanetary space travel, and robotics. Our best hope of living our best lives is permanently solving the problems we face today, starting with the creation of the tools that make it possible. Many individuals, communities, and businesses are doing what they can. Our mission is to work with all of you. Let's prepare for our interplanetary future together. To learn more about Project Universe, go to shoustel.com.